Why hello everybody, Marcus Lim here, and in this video I'll be taking you through the process of setting up your FBTube WordPress plugin and how to connect it as a Facebook page tab in your Facebook page. So first thing you have to do is to install FBTube, and I've already done that. So after you've installed it, come over to the FBTube dashboard, and you have to activate the plugin by using your login and password, and I've already done that as well. So then you can go ahead and create your interesting, looks like I haven't actually done it. Okay, so there you go. Now it's activated and I can go ahead and create a new campaign if I want. So just now this wasn't actually enabled because the plugin was actually not activated. So you need to activate a plugin in order to create a new campaign. But I've actually already got one campaign that I've already set up before, so I'll go with this one and I'll show you some of the settings. So you can specify fan gate image, so image that is shown to non-fans. So if you're not a fan, you come to the page. Do you require them to like the page before they can see the opt-in? In this case I just say no. Now the username of your on YouTube. So in my case I want to show all the videos from this channel. So this is one of my YouTube channels, and all you have to do is just to specify the username, and then you'll grab the videos from your channel. And how many to display? You have a choice of 4, 8, 12 or 16, so it's like 4 in a row. So this would be like 2 rows of videos, so go with 8. Open box on page load. Yes, so when the page loads, I'll immediately show the opt-in box. Show opt-in after video ends. No, I'll turn that off. Now the header image, the image at the top of the page, and I've actually uploaded this one, so I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Not very pretty, but I just did this in a hurry, just to show you how it works. So opt-in copy, on the opt-in pop-up above the opt-in form, I just simply say please enter your name and email. The button will have the submit text, and after they've successfully opted in, I'll show them this message: thank you for entering your details. And then we come over to, actually let's skip this first and head down to the autoresponder settings. So this is just the code from your Aweber account. So if you go to sign up forms, so I've got one form here already. So all you have to do is you go to the last step, you say we'll install my form, or actually no, I'll install my own form, raw HTML. You want to uncheck these form styles, and all you do is copy this code and paste it in here, and that's it, you're done. Now one thing you do have to keep in mind is you do have to specify HTTPS for the post URL and not just HTTP, otherwise it won't work. So that's something for you to keep in mind. So now we come to the Facebook share settings, and this involves creating a Facebook app. And to do that, all you have to do is go to developers.facebook.com, and then you just come to the top here, apps, and you want to create a new app. And I've actually already done that for this example. TryTube is what I've called mine, and you can call it whatever you like. You just have to make sure that you have a valid contact email on this under the settings menu. And also you would want to add platform, website, and page tab. So if you see that it's grayed out because I've already done that. So for website, you have to enter the URL of the domain where your plugin is installed. And for the page tab, so this page tab URL, you get this from, if I come back to my plugin dashboard, so this is the URL that you want to copy and paste here. And similarly for the secure page tag URL, it's the same, except that you have HTTPS instead of HTTP, and that's all you have to do. And the last thing is status and review. Just make sure this is yes, so that the app is now available to the public, so that your plugin can connect to it successfully. So that's pretty much it. I do have to say one thing though, and that is I'll come back here. So remember when I said that this is HTTPS and not HTTP? What this means is that the domain where you've installed the plugin, it needs to be secured with a SSL certificate in order for HTTPS to work. So I have recorded another video where I take you through that entire process of getting your SSL certificate installed on your server. So have a look at that video if you want to find out how you go about doing that. But yes, you do need to have an SSL certificate to secure your domain. So let's now come back here, and I will. Okay, so let's click add to fan page, the app ID. Okay, the app ID, the app domain, add app. Alright, and now I can choose one of my pages. So I just choose this one, add page tab. And that's done. So I can close this. And now if I come back to Facebook, and let's just go to the page where I've installed the tab. So where is that? So here's the page. This is the one. So here it is, TryTube. And let's see what happens. So here you go. So this is the header image that I showed you before. And because, if you remember, I said opt-in on page load. So here it is, the opt-in box. So let me quickly opt in. It says thank you for entering your details. Alright, so immediately the most recent video on my YouTube channel starts playing, and you can also see that all the other videos, so I've specified 8 in total if you remember, so here they are. If I click on any one of these, it will actually show up here, and then you can play it. So that's pretty neat, right? And you can leave a comment below if you want. If you click on this YouTube channel, it'll bring you directly to the YouTube channel. If I click on share this, and I write something, this is cool. Actually, before I do this, something that I have to do that I haven't done. So let me just come back here. So I want to get the link to this tab and copy this. Come back to my plugin dashboard, and the share URL, this is where I paste that in. So that's where the share will take them. So if I come back again, if I say share this, I say this is cool, and I click share. Now if I head back to my profile, and if someone sees this and clicks on the link, it should take them directly to the page tab. So that's what I was doing when I pasted in the share URL. Okay, so it looks like it's all working. The only other thing is just to confirm that the opt-in was successful. I'll come to my Aweber account and have a look at the subscribers that were added today, and yes, looks like it was successful. That's me and my email. So that's it. I hope that you found this video helpful. It's a pretty straightforward process. Just follow these steps. Just get your Facebook app up, and then it should all work. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.